World Health Organization recognizes water, sanitation, and hygiene infrastructure as not just an instrument to improve on health of human beings, but also considers it as a necessary condition for the social and economic growth. Safety, especially of women, girls, and children, is a concerning issue everywhere. It restricts the growth of an individual, impacting the societal development. Safe and hygienic practices in educational institutions are key to better education of children. Arogya Rakshak Toilet ART, an initiative recognized and supported by the World Toilet Organization, Singapore, provides solutions to address these, one of the most severe questions of our times. The initiative is termed as the most important one to prevent population from hundreds of pathogens including the COVID-19 and other mutated strains of the virus. The Arogya Rakshak Toilet initiative works to ensure every person's well-being through a design framework using which the facilities are assessed and certified. ART's Safe School program prioritizes students' educational and sanitation prospects for hygienic and safe learning environment. Jaivan Shikshan Prasarak Mandal, a flag bearer for quality education in India, has taken a lead to provide the best of the facilities to students, providing a conducive environment for learning and growing. JSPM's Hadapsar campus is recognized under the ART WTO certified LEED campus program, having excellence in inclusive and gender-friendly infrastructure.
JSPM is spread over 6 different campuses and 61 institutes and 10,000 staff members.
My vision behind establishing Jaivan Shikshan Prasarak Mandal was to create a centers of excellence for education in the field of engineering, medical, pharmacy, management, and computer studies, and also make technical education affordable to all the students, especially from the rural areas. Along the way, we have added school education also. Today, JSPM is a home to 45,000 plus students studying from KG to PhD. From a single institution in 2001, JSPM has grown rapidly into a strong and a vibrant organization spread over 6 campuses, an achievement unmatched by any other organization in Maharashtra or even in India in terms of speed of development. Very soon, JSPM will have its own university, which will enable us to have collaborative programs with other renowned institutions in the world and make JSPM a global brand.
The toilet and other facilities within the campus were assessed and upgraded adhering to the various standards of ART, including a feedback mechanism through which any user can now raise a concern in case of any lapses in hygiene or safety. The facilities assessed and upgraded include awareness and advocacy, no entry without mask, physical distancing, hand hygiene, sanitizing and disinfection, proper ventilation, transparent soap dispensers, guides and signages, availability of dustbin, availability of water supply, safe waste management, gender-friendly measures, female signage and separate entrance, presence of trained female attendant, menstrual hygiene measures, disabled old-friendly measures, external accessibility options, measures for friendly doors, inclusive water facility, message of diversity, and others. Along with this, the stakeholders of the institute, including students, parents, staff members, and even the visitors, would be empowered with free access to the unique ART Suraksha mobile application. With this, they can avail a host of safety, hygiene, and other facilities within and outside the campus. It allows everyone to not just take care of themselves, but to extend that care to everyone, making the world a better place to live and grow. The ART Suraksha app is unique in every possible way. It is the world's first initiative to provide user an access to a safe and hygienic environment. Using the app, the user can now locate an ART toilet facility equipped with safety, gender-friendly and disabled-friendly measures, having authentic ratings and other details. You can now locate an ART facility with features like breastfeeding facility, food for babies, or other immediate urgent assistance. You can rely for the clean and hygienic facilities within and outside the campus for cleanliness, infrastructure facilities, electricity, social nuisance, or safety concerns. The artificial intelligence-based unique feedback mechanism works without any human interference, keep the facilities clean at every time. With the help of ART Suraksha app, you can send a help message to at least 4 people with a single touch. You can locate a nearby hospital cleaning in emergency. You can also locate a nearby garage or a chemist. You can locate a nearest auto stop, a bus stop, or a railway station, which are authenticated by the users. You can also locate a stay facility in case of urgency. In case of extreme emergencies, when you require to connect to a nearest police station, ART Suraksha app would automatically locate a nearby police station and would allow you to connect to register your complaint. You can directly complain about the harassment of any kind or for reaching out for a help regarding domestic violence. Not just this, ART Suraksha app also comes with a loaded bus tracking feature, using which students can now get notifications in the form of text messages for the bus arrivals. Parents would also get notifications for pickups and drops. They would also get notifications for overspeeding and safety alerts. The app includes features like bus geofencing, which provides an instant notification in case of there is some alteration in the decided route. With this app, you can also regulate and integrate your bus fees. Oftentimes, the concerns regarding health are not discussed adequately. The ART Suraksha app would provide informative blogs, articles, and even AVs, using which one can assess all the information related to their health. Not just that, in case of connecting to the doctor or counselor, this app would allow you to connect and have online counseling with the expert. The ART certification aligns with new National Education Policy 2020 of Government of India. The National Education Policy emphasizes heavily on equitable and inclusive education, so much so that it puts it as a first condition to have adequate and safe infrastructure, including working toilets and clean drinking water, ensuring gender and disability friendly, safe and inclusive and effective learning environment for every stakeholder. The various criterions of National Education Policy requires higher educational institutions to include grade-based programs like sanitation, waste management, among others. It also mandates to include basic training in health, including preventive health, mental health, good nutrition, personal and public hygiene, and damaging effects of alcohol, tobacco, and other drugs. The institutions certifying with ART can leverage many benefits of NAC as well. The criterions like institutional values and best practices have provision of 100 marks. Not just that, NAC also has a provision of 30 marks for integrating cross-cutting issues like gender, human values, environment, and sustainability. The NBA also mandates sanitation, drinking water, transportation, safety, and security among its physical and campus infrastructure facility requirements. Whereas AICTE mandates AICTE Clean and Green Campus, waste management and environment improvement measures to ensure a sustainable green campus, AICTE environmental policy of clean water and sanitation, and gender audit.
Hello everyone, I am Dr. Anita Khatke, currently as a director of JSPM's Jaywantrao Sawant Institute of Management Research, which is located in Pune and popularly known as Oxford of the East. We provide 2 years MBA course and we are popularly known as excellent education and the 360 development of the students. And this 360 development also includes student safety, hygiene and the health. As we know, health is wealth, and healthy youth construct the healthy nation. So we are students' health is very important for us. So moving towards one step ahead, we are associating with the Casper Foundation. Recently they have launched very innovative initiative, that is Arogya Rakshak Toilet, that is ART. And today we are proud to say that we are certified institute by the ART. Now pandemic situation is about to end, and all the colleges and including us, we are ready to welcome the student back. And students' health and safety is very important for us. So we are taking care of all sanitizations, masks are mandatory, self-distancing. So we are taken all the measures against the COVID to protect our students. And here we are maintaining pure water, proper sanitization, very clean toilets, and more focus we are given on girls' health and hygiene. So all sanitary napkins, vending machine is available, pads are available, and we are organizing various programs to make the students aware, not only boys or girls but everyone, about their health, about their safety, about their hygienes. And now I really thanks Casper Foundation. They are providing us an app which will include the geotagging in the bus transportation. It will ensure the safety of the students. This app will provide, and it will connect to doctors also, so that in case of any health emergency, they can call the doctors and get the help. And one more speciality is that this app is also connected with the police. So anyone, if any case of emergency, they can contact the police and the immediate help they will get. Police can track that student. So really it help for the students' health and safety. So thank you very much. Again I thanks Casper Foundation. So welcome to JS Amar.
I am Dr. Rajendra Kanpade, Principal of the Jayavantrao Sawant College of Engineering, Hadapsar campus. In our campus, we have total 5 UG courses as well as the 3 PG courses. In addition to that, MBA and MC also. We have the PhD center also. We are adopting the teaching learning process with the mission to create these thinking engineers, indirectly the employable engineers. Our teaching learning process is more practical oriented, industry perspective, placement oriented, as well as the skill based. We are also trying to map the every subject in the course studying by the students should be mapped with the industry requirement or multinational companies requirement. So for that we have created the number of groups based on the advanced technologies like embedded and VLSI, robotics, AI, drone technology. We can have the electrical vehicle technology, solar technology. We have the AR, VR, or IoT clubs is also available. So through that the students can be trained in particular advanced technology, and the teaching learning process we are mapping with the industry perspective. So our placement is, so the outcome of this, our placement is very good placement. We got the good packages of our students, and each and every student got placed in the industry. In addition to this curriculum, we are also ensuring that the hygiene and safety of the students as the COVID-19 guidelines by the Government of India as well as the Savitribai Phule University. We are also certified by the ART, that is the Arogya Rakshak Toilet, the initiative by the Casper Foundation. It includes the hand sanitation, temperature management, O2 level, the disinfection of the workplace, disinfection of the workplace, particularly the toilets as well as the drinking place. We are also providing the sanitary pads vending machine. We are also taken the measure of the disabled and old age students, old age friendly measures. Our faculty is 100% vaccinated. Our students also around 90%, more than 90% have taken the first dose of the vaccine. We can proudly say that our campus is certified by ART, that is Arogya Rakshak, the toilet, it is initiative by the Capsar Foundation. Thank you.
नमस्कार सर्वांना. मी डॉक्टर प्रफुल्ल प्रकाश आडकर, प्राचार्य डिप्लोमा कॉलेज ऑफ फार्मसी, JSPM संस्था. JSPM संस्था ही नावाजलेली संस्था 2000 सालापासून आम्ही पुण्यामध्ये शिक्षणाचा वटवृक्ष पसरवला म्हटलं तरी काही वावगं ठरणार नाही, कारण आज ताग्यात आमचे 5 कॅम्पसेस आणि टोटल 78 इन्स्टिट्यूट सोबत आम्ही एज्युकेशन फील्डमध्ये काम करत आहोत. आमचे फाउंडर डॉक्टर TJ सावंत सर यांनी आम्हाला वसा दिला की मुलांचं आरोग्य आणि मुलाचं एज्युकेशनल क्वालिटी याच्या व्यतिरिक्त काही महत्त्वाचं नसून या दोन्ही गोष्टी फोकस करणं खूप महत्त्वाचं आहे. त्यांनी दिलेला वसा, त्याच्यावरती आम्ही वारंवारपणे त्यांनी दिलेल्या डायरेक्शन्स आम्ही काम करत आहोत. तर आज आमच्याशी बऱ्याच वर्षापासून जोडल्या गेलेल्या आरोग्यरक्षक टॉयलेट कॅस्पर फाउंडेशन, हे जे कॅस्पर फाउंडेशन आहे यांनी जे काम हाती घेतलेलं आहे की हायजीन काय प्रकार म्हणजे स्वच्छता आणि आरोग्याशी तडजोड न करता आपण जीवन जगलं पाहिजे. त्याच्यामध्ये कॉलेजेस, कॅम्पस, इन्स्टिट्यूशन्स त्यांनी जे काही काम करतायत हे खूपच मोलाचं आहे आणि ते खूप गरजेचं आहे. बिकॉज आज आपण पाहताय की पूर्ण जग या कोविड-19च्या पॅन्डेमिक सिच्युएशनमधून सफर होत आहे. प्रत्येक गरीब श्रीमंत असो, लहान असो, मोठा असो, प्रत्येकजण या गोष्टीमध्ये खूपच सफर होत आहेत. तर त्यांनी चालवलेला हा वारसा म्हटलं तरी काही वावगं ठरणार नाही. कॅस्पर फाउंडेशनला मी पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन, त्यांचं धन्यवाद देतो, कारण त्यांनी जो हाती घेतलेला वसा आहे तो त्यांनी असाच पुढे चालू ठेवावा. आम्ही स्वतः पण फार्मसी कॉलेजमध्ये आहोत, तर आमचं रिलेशन्स हे सगळं हायजीन, वेलनेस आणि लोकांच्या आरोग्यासाठीच आम्हीही सेवक आहोत. तशाच पद्धतीचं कॅस्पर फाउंडेशननी आरोग्यरक्षक टॉयलेट हा जो त्यांनी उपक्रम राबवला आहे, त्यांनी आमच्या कॅम्पसेसचे सगळे टॉयलेट्स त्यांनी सर्टिफाय करून दिलेत किंवा त्यांचं जे काही सपोर्टिव्ह मॉडेल्स आहेत किंवा त्यांनी ज्या गोष्टी समाजासाठी करतायत, तर निश्चितच आपण त्याचंही अनुकरण करायला हवं. आणि निश्चित त्यांनी चालू केलेला हा प्रोग्राम खूपच सुंदर आहे. मी JSPM जयवंतराव सावंत इन्स्टिट्यूट ऑफ फार्मसीचे प्राचार्य, डिप्लोमा फार्मसीचे प्राचार्य म्हणून परत एकदा आवाहन करतो की असाच उपक्रम त्यांनी दुसऱ्याही इन्स्टिट्यूटमध्ये राबवत राहावं आणि आमच्याकडूनही काही त्यांना मदत लागली किंवा त्यांनी असंच सर्वांना मदत करत राहावी, एवढं मी कॅस्पर फाउंडेशनला पुन्हा एकदा अभिनंदन, धन्यवाद देतो. आणि पुढच्या त्यांच्या वाटचालीसाठी निश्चित त्यांना मी ऑल द बेस्ट.
Hello, I am Mrs. Kalpana Nilake, Principal, JSPM's Signet Public School, Hadapsar. Signet Public School is one of the schools run by Jaivan Shikshan Prasarak Mandal under able leadership of Professor Dr. TJ Sawant sir. We are associated with Casper India Foundation. Through this foundation, the school has organized many activities to maintain a good health of our kids. Our campus is Arogya Rakshak toilet certified. Under this, school is going to have a tracking system for students even in the buses. School carries out various activities to maintain health of our students, especially girl child. School provides sanitary napkins to the girls. Even it takes care of good sanitation by organizing various activities as well as programs for girl child as well as mothers of girl child. I am extremely thankful to Casper India Foundation for helping us in maintaining good health of our children. Thank you very much.
Hello everyone, I am Mrs. Ratna Haryal, Principal Jaivant Public School. We have our school running right from pre-primary till standard 12 CBSE school. I am very happy that there are so many students under this canopy whom we can train to learn good habits right from the school age. Approximately 2,000 students are here with us, whom I feel that it is our moral responsibility to make them the best citizens. And how do we make them best citizens? Not only by giving them education, but also by inculcating good habits. And when we talk about good habits, health and hygiene is the priority. Yes, this is what we have learned from the pandemic. And at school age, if we inculcate such habits, definitely it goes a long way in their lives. They not only implement it in their own lives, but also spread awareness. I would like to appreciate the efforts being taken by Casper Foundation Arogya Rakshak Toilets. Yes, this is the place which needs a lot of care regarding the health and hygiene. The toilets should be sanitized. The toilets should be neat and clean all the time. And this is what the students have to learn from here. There are many aspects related to the toilets, not only for the girls but also for the boys. Each and every person should understand this. Girls should know the good habits, how to use the sanitary pads, and not only how to use it, but also very important to know how to dispose it of. We keep conducting the camps and the counseling sessions separately for the boys and the girls to make them understand that how important these aspects are for their lives. And we have been training the children. Of course, Arogya Rakshak Toilets have also been giving us many suggestions and have been contributing a lot in this regard for the students. I appreciate them from the bottom of my heart, and also expect that this drive will continue and we will keep giving good information regarding health and hygiene to the children all over the country and then to the world as well. Thank you so much. Wishing good health to each and everyone on this earth. Thanks a lot. Namaskar.
Jaivant Shikshan Prasarak Manda's Pune-based Hadapsar campus has held the bar high all over again, providing all its stakeholders the niche infrastructure support with best of the safety measures. The campus is recognized as ART WTO certified lead campus, having excellence in inclusive and gender-friendly infrastructure, providing opportunities to everyone without any barriers and practicing equity to be a leader and a model for many others.